Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 687 Charles Street, Unit 1. It's a first floor walk-up, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent, newly renovated. We walk in to my right, bedroom number 1, carpet. Huge living area here and dining area. Granite marble countertops, electric stove, built-in microwave, double sink, plenty of cabinet space, closet there, refrigerator. Heat and hot water is included. You got bedroom number 2 here. Back entrance leads up to parking. Built-in washer and dryer. You got bathroom with shower. No tub. I'd like to apply for 687 Charles Street, Unit 1, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.